Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today, before I do a collage, I want to show you what I've been working on. And this is probably inspired from Denise Lush. She's always done those zany type journals where they had the edges cropped off. And I did one last year, and I thought I'd try to do one again, but then I got halfway through it, and I thought, okay, I'll make this for my granddaughter. And this one take you a quick flip through, and yes, these were manila folders, and hers was quite short, and I just used the whole length of mine. And let me see, let me get a white piece of paper so you can see each page. And this was a coloring book that I had got from Dollar Tree. Someone had mentioned in one of their videos about 6 months ago that they had used coloring book, and I said, well, of course, I mean, why not? And I happen to have some of the images still left, and this happened to be the cover page, but I had left most of them white. But I had taken these manila folders and just really saturated them with the Dilutions spray inks. I mean, you had to saturate both the front and the back, and that took about a day or so to dry out. But I had made this journal in about 3 days flat. You know, and then once I saturated all of the pages with the spray inks, and some were the shimmer paints, and I had went around all of them with the Posca pen, the blue Posca pen, and then the white pen, and dotted it all the way around. I put on this one, Cloudy Days Not in My Way, Bye-Bye. It says, I can grow up to be whatever I choose. And if I'm not mistaken, she's about, I'd say 10, but getting ready to have a birthday real soon. But she had really seen this cute little video where someone had made a working journal where I think it had like daily chores that a parent would do, and it'd be like a dryer on there, and someone made it where, you know, you could take the little clothes out the little dryer and shut the little door and hang them up and all like that. And it was a lot of trouble, and her mother couldn't do it, and I didn't know how to do it. I thought it would be a complete mess for me to cut these little things out, and it was just it would have been a mess. But the girl who done it, it was awesome. But I felt really bad, and I thought, well, I can do one of these after seeing Denise Lush's videos. And this one, when I did the purple paint, it was just way too dark. I had to do something to lighten it up. And then I had stuck the flowers on this side, so then I had to paint all of them, the back side. And I think Denise Lush ran into that same scenario. And this is the last page. And I said what fairy tales are made of. And I actually had to paint the bottom because it was the front page cover of a magazine. This is Adele. And it had the barcode here and words, so I just took my green paint, went across it. And I'm debating on whether to put legs under here or not. But anyway, that's that. And I want to show you all, let's see. Trying to think which journal, but anyway, I found this, got some magazines the other day. I'm just going to show you this little thing. This was a magazine of a girl, and then this was the girl's belt. So actually I cut the belt off, put it above her head, and then this was like a lab petri dish, and you all probably got the same thing. And this girl's dress under here, and then this was a robot, and I was going to use it on an eyeball. I was going to use these two robot hands for the eyelashes on the eyeball, and then kind of changed my mind. And I thought I would make this. And I used her bottoms for something else, so I had to find another bottom for her. Then I found this pocketbook, so I'm going to use this. I'm really not digging the purple background, though. I think every time I did a purple background something, I don't know, I just changed my mind. I keep thinking, okay, I keep going back to that purple. And I was going to show you something else I did the other day, where I did the orbs and try to make a thing to hold some of my tags. I think I showed you all some tags the other day. And I had laminated them. But I had done these orbs from the other day where the girl had done the orbs. And remember, I put them on the front of my journals. But I had folded 2 pages down. And I clipped them together, and I'm still undecided what I want to do because I like how they look. I put these on this one, and I thought, well, I don't want to actually put them together because then I would be hiding this one, and I think I like it enough where I want to look at it in the future. But then this was the back side, and last night I found something on Pinterest, so I freehanded this with an ink pen. And not so much ink pen, kind of like a marker, an artist marker, but it looks like an ink pen. And I think this was the other day. I don't believe I showed you all these, but this girl's head had split open. And I got the little fishies coming out of it. I don't think I showed you all, but I'll let you get caught up on this one, and then we'll get started in the other one. I still haven't finished this one. I love this one. I think this one might be new. I'm not sure. This one's the one where Diane Reevely does the patchwork. But I did a different take on it. I didn't per se do different color blocks. I just had the whole background, but then did the design without the different colors in the blocks. I'm going kind of fast because I know you all have seen some of these. See, I don't think I have any. Oh, I have a couple new ones at the back. I don't care. I still like, I look at these, both these every day. Just flip through them every day. It just makes me happy. And that's what they're supposed to do anyway. They're supposed to provoke happiness in you. And that's why you made it, so it would make you happy every day. And I had done one of these in the other journal, but you know, I'd put vases. And this one I just didn't. I just went around and done the doodling. This one I did the other day. And this one I still got to work on. Okay. So, I had gotten the 3 magazines the other day. And was going through them and pulling out some images. Thought I'd keep these glasses. I like her face, which when I pulled this image out, I didn't like her face. I don't like her legs like that, but I thought all this was kind of like a bird. So I may use that for a bird. I'm not sure, but I kind of like it with her hair. So I think I'm going to cut her legs off and do something else. I may even try to find chicken legs or something. I kind of like her face also. I didn't know if I wanted to use her face, but I kind of keep going back to the lady with the red hair. And I do like her face. I thought I'd use these as backgrounds. Maybe use these as feathers. If I want to do another chicken. And this was a guy, and I thought, I don't know, I want to change his head. So I may use her head. I'm not sure yet. And here was one part of the eyeball. I was going to show you this. I had cut this lady's dress out. And when I went to, let me see if I find it. I was going to show you, this is where I got my inspiration. Okay, this was her top. I thought, oh, I really like that. So that's part of my collage today. I pulled this image out. I'm always pulling these images out. And then this is the one where I got the lady's hands for the bird lady. It was called She's a Machine, and these 2 hands were at the bottom. But anyway, I found this picture here, and I found the dog's face, and I thought, well, I like them 2 together. But how it always happens is I keep, like, when I lay an image down, it's like I'm always laying it down on another image, and I happen to do that. I thought, how neat is that? So I may do that for something. But anyway, I was going through some more images, and I had come across this lady. Well, and then I was taking the top part of this lady off. Well, when I threw this in my basket, it fell right there. And I'm like, when I came back in here, I'm like, whoa, I don't remember her having a hat. And I'm like, what's the chances of cutting something out and it fit perfectly to the next image? I mean, I can't do that again in a million years. But I'm always doing this for some reason. I'm always laying an image on another image, and it gives me ideas for even more things. I don't know. It's just like a higher power is showing me what to do. And I like this image. I guess for the silhouette. Anything graphic looking. Okay, and then, well, I had, pulled some of these out, and I was going to show you. Okay, so there was the big eye that I had some of it. Well, here's the lady's top. Let me turn my book around a minute. And I thought I would try to make the bird image again that I made once before. And this here was a lady's dress. I'll see if I can find it right quick. Probably not. I've shuffled so many around here lately. I think I'll, let's see, maybe here it is. Okay, I'm going to try to show you where I find my images. Okay, this is a lady's dress. And I believe this may have either been out of Vogue or something like that. Okay, so that's the lady's dress. And I had a big eye before and made the, but I was trying to make the bird again. And somehow I kind of wanted this to be the shirt for the bird since it was colorful. And I found this Prada hat. I thought I could use that for the bird. And here was this image of this guy wearing this shirt. And anything with texture to it, I always try to keep. So I thought, well, maybe I can cut up his shirt and make the bird's beak. Usually I do it all in one piece, and I had done the one piece, and I said, well, wait a minute, that don't look right. So here was the guy's sleeve. And I guess I had cut this off first. This was here, and this was the guy's sleeve. So I just cut it 2 pieces. See if I can stick it under there. I'm not quite sure. I don't know, I may want to put that up top. Okay, and this is the lady's, you know, frilly dress again. Like the other lady, I said, you know, look, I want to use her like the bird, so I'm undecided on how I quite want to do it. And then, I don't know if I can find this other lady's image. Oh, well, I can't because I used half of her. But anyway, these were her arms in black gloves above her head. And I cut these off, and I said that could be the bird's legs. Of course, that could be the other girl's bird's legs also. I just have to find something else. But anyway. And I thought I may want to, since this knee is bent, you know, put this one this way, and maybe put this one here. Like going back across that one. I'll probably, you know, cut it in more detail though. But you can see how I get an image, how I get a... And then I just cut out some stuff that I thought... Sorry about that, guys. I had to reshoot this a little bit. I realized it was off camera. But here was the lady's arms again. I'm trying to get the whole bird in there. But I thought I would somehow put the legs, maybe put that one that way, then her elbow bending back across. But I'll get this all glued up, and I'll show y'all the final outcome in the upcoming video. But you can see how I get an image, how I get a... And then I just cut out some stuff that I thought I can do for the bird. Just add a bunch of background noise. And I always get started with one, and I say I'm going to do a Tisha more, and I'm going to do this around here. And then when I get started, it just totally goes a different way. But I just want to show you all that, and I'd rather do it offline, you know, put it together. But I'll get my border, and then I'll put a bunch of stencils around and fill it in and all. But actually, I'm better off doing that offline, because I don't know, I can sit here and concentrate a little better. But I thought you all would like to know where I got the images from. And I appreciate you watching, and hope you'll subscribe, and see you tomorrow.